So for word study today, you're going to need your reading composition notebook. You're going to write your answers in your notebook. The first thing you're going to do is read this passage. We are working on context clues. So all of these bolded words you're trying to figure out the meaning of. Here is the puzzle that you're going to put your answers into. So we have across, which is all of these that go across here, and then down, which are here. So you're going to look at the highlighted word, try to figure out the meaning. It'll either be one of these in the box, and then whichever meaning you're matching it to, you're going to write that word in the matching box. So this is number 1. So that goes with fighting. Number 2 goes with shocked and surprised. Number 3, frustrated and exhausted / tired. Number 4 is here. Assortment, many different things. Number 5 goes across here to draw attention away. Number 6 goes across here, results, effect. And number 7 down at the bottom, you're going to match the definition for right away, instantly. So let's try one together. Samantha was exasperated. She and her mother had been quarreling or fighting for several hours, and she wanted to take a nap. So how would you feel if you'd been fighting with someone for several hours and you just wanted to take a nap? I would say you'd be frustrated and exhausted / tired. So you would take that word, exasperated, and you would write it. You can, if you want to copy this in your notebook, you can, or you can just write the number 3 and you can write the word exasperated. Notice that each square represents a letter. So the E would go on the first square, the X would go on the second square, A in the third square, and so on. So all of these letters should fit perfectly in these squares. If it does not fit, that means that is not the correct word. So that is going to help you figure out if you have the correct definition for that word. On our second bolded word, our keyword, notice that they give you the definition right after the word, because remember, that's one of our context clues. Sometimes they'll give you the definition. So you would take that word, look for that definition, and then match it with those squares. So this word, all of those letters should match up perfectly with each square here, because that's number 1.